Hi lovelies, so today we are going to do a little, those patterns, those like China porcelain patterns that you see. Just a quick tutorial on those, just like a easy quick design but that looks quite pretty. So we're starting off with a white base, and then I'm taking my blue. Like, it's a dark blue, dark navy blue. It looks black on there, well, on my screen. Maybe it looks better on yours. I'm mixing it with the white to make a lighter blue. Because it's sort of like a quite specific blue I'm seeing sort of everywhere. And then what we will do is use the lighter colour that I've mixed to do the pattern. So this one, it's just sort of like, it really is like China plates, do you know, like that sort of like, a lot of like flowery, like ornamental sort of feel to it, if you get what I mean. So this one I did not like. It's because it wasn't even coming down each side. So now I've evened it up a little bit. And then we're going to do, so it's like a parallel to it. I hope all of you guys are like having a really nice time at the minute. I am on the last sort of stretch of my maternity leave. Going back to work very soon. And I'm just trying to sort of feel like myself again. Get some nail patterns done for me. Get some videos voiced over, so that, because I think once I go back to work, it's going to be like, go, 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 go. Ah! So once we've done the parallels, I've sort of mixed like a little bit of clear base coat in with the nice blue colour that I made up. Using a jelly polish would be just as effective, but this is like just sort of with everything to hand. That's so it's just sort of looks like a watercolour-y sort of effect behind it. And then once that is cured, we're then going to go in and, of course, we're going to do some dots with that original colour again that I mixed together. So we're just going to do some dots. Yeah, it's totally mad, like, how I've been off work for, like, 9 months now. Will be 10 months. I will have had 10 months maternity leave by the time I go back. 9 months with my little boy. 1 month before he came because I literally couldn't walk anymore. So in the middle, we are sort of going to do a little bit like flower petals, I suppose, if you want to think of it that way. You just need to make sure you've got the right amount of paint on your brush. So I think it's been a while since I did this design, but I think we're going to do 4. So 1 up, 1 down, 1 either side, if I remember correctly. I think so. Yeah, totally mad how quick how in one sense of the word they've gone really quick, the months, but also they have not. If you know what I mean. So we're going to put some more dots, and some more sort of flower petal-y at the bottom. And you see how easy and super quick it was to do this little design. Really, Really simple, but still looks like everything you keep seeing. Without the added hassle of the super detailed like floral things that you've been seeing. Of course I'm finishing off with dots, like we know I'm finishing off with dots. So while that is in the lamp, we'll do our second design, which I believe it's sort of like a leafy design that I did. So I think we're going to have one leaf at the top there, and we're just going to slowly make our way down with that original colour that I mixed. It's such a nice blue, I think, but then I wouldn't like plates like that at home. Do you know, like, I like the patterns on these nails, but I wouldn't like the china. I wouldn't like the porcelain. I mean, my my plates and that in the cupboard now seem to have Peter Rabbit on them, and so I can't imagine I'm going to be having any fancy china like this anytime soon. So yeah, we're just doing each little petal, leaf, whatever you want to call it, down the stem. Yeah, I'm ready to go back to work. I'm definitely ready to go back to work. Just scary because it's a little bit like, oh, what is everything going to be like? How are we going to have time for everything? Because he is very demanding. So we're just going to do like we did on the other one, like just more sort of petally designs, and probably some more dots. I mean, it's me, isn't it? I've probably done more dots. Although maybe we're just doing lines on this one. Maybe we're just... Oh no, look, here's the dots. Here's the dots. Here's the dots. Oh, but they just make everything better, don't they? It's like stars, isn't it? I've just done... I think I've made 3 sets for myself, 3 nail sets for when I go back to work. I'm going to make some more throughout the year. I've done a Rugrats set, a Pokemon set, and today I have just done a Toy Story set. I am super excited about them. I didn't record the Toy Story set, but I have recorded the Pokemon and the Rugrats set if you would like to see them. So we're top coating the designs now. Really simple, really effective, really pretty design, I feel. You might not agree. Sorry if you don't. And there we have. My little tutorial has finished. I hope you've enjoyed watching and listening to my ramblings. I will stop talking about my baby soon. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. Let me know if there's any designs you'd like to see. But thank you very much for watching again. I really enjoy doing these, so thanks so much. Bye.